Again, I'll go back to an engineering explanation if you don't mind. Potential difference is known as voltage. So if I take a stone that's sitting on the ground, its potential is zero, it's at ground, earth. If I take that and I hold it up in altitude, it's now carrying an electric charge, a potential. We see this very greatly with crystals. That's why people who are into crystals, this is kind of one of the mechanics that's behind these crystals, is they're vibrating at a known rate. So they're at zero potential at the ground, and they're a higher potential as you lift them further away from the ground. Right, so energy is then the potential difference between zero and whatever potential it is. So the voltage goes up the higher something is taken away from the base. So it's got a higher potential the further away from it is. We as human beings have been taken away from the source, the ground that is reality, and put into a world of perceived illusion or a dynamic interplay between opposites. So we're in a completely foreign realm trying to get back to the source that we are at. So the further away we are, the more potential that we have to come to know. So the lower you are and the more ignorant you are, the more potential you have to come to know something. So in this sense, the worse off, if you like, we could be as human beings, the better we have, the better chance we have of actually coming to know. So it's a hidden benefit. It's a blessing. Our ignorance is a blessing, you know, and the illusion riding on the perfection is actually the life that we're trying to experience.